In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix link Spotify to Instagram notes not working. Let's get started. First, check for app updates, both Spotify and Instagram. So launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. If you see update, click on it. Likewise, search for Spotify. After it appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, restart your iPhone to refresh background connections. After that, launch Instagram. Navigate to the messaging page. At the top, you're gonna find this note section. Click on that. Now click on this little music icon. You're gonna get this kind of pop-up, link Spotify. Click on that. Allow Spotify to connect to Instagram. You'll get this kind of pop-up if you have already logged into the Spotify account. In case you haven't logged into your Spotify account, you'll be prompted to log into your Spotify account. Provide your Spotify account's credentials to link your Instagram or agree with the terms and conditions, and your Spotify account will be linked with your Instagram account. If still you are unable to link it, what you're gonna do is clear cache for both the apps. Launch settings, go to the option general, click on the option iPhone storage. Here you're gonna find all the apps, find Spotify and Instagram. For both the apps, click on Offload. Again, click on Offload App to confirm it, then click on Reinstall App. Once you do this, you might get this kind of pop-up. If the feature still does not show or respond, it may be a temporary Instagram rollout issue, since Notes music features are sometimes limited to certain accounts or reasons. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.